The HX72 6000 Kelvin 15,000 lumens 2-pack remote control street lights. We're going to hang them up outside, show you what they're all about. And this is what we get inside the box. We get a remote control, all the features and functions you need to run your unit, the bracket and angle to hang up, the mini street light with the on and off, solar array, and LEDs. The instruction guide and 2 packages of hardware included. Provide AAA batteries for each remote control, 2 are needed. Place on the table, hit the on button, the green light will come on. When you let go, the light will come on dim and brighten up. It has increments of 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and it has a PIR sensor. After 30 seconds will dim down. You have an off and an on switch, and you have a timer. It'll blink for the time. What we're going to go do is go hang this outside and show you what it's all about. Place into the pole, put a screw on, 2 screws here. Spot to hang and screw on down. Lights can be put anywhere in a shed. Dusk to dawn. We're going to turn the street lights on. They're set up. We have the PIR sensor that we could set up on one. After 30 seconds, it would turn it down on a low level light, or you can have it stay on at a certain brightness. As the lights dim down, as you walk by and go underneath the sensor, they'll get triggered. You can also adjust the brightness levels by 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. You can also set it for a timer, and it'll shut off at different intervals. These are the street lights. Place them anywhere you like, where you don't have any electric. They will brighten up the area and detect motion and brighten up. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.